कविताजितकल्लोली कन्यका कान्तवक्षसे करुणादिगुणाढ्याय कमलानिधये नमः. Divyadesa Vaibhavam. Let's know about Divyadesams based on the Divyadesha Vaibhava Stuti composed by Ashu Kavi Sarvabhauma Srinidhi Swami. Last time we all saw details of the first Divyadesam, Sri Rangam. Today we shall proceed to the second one, which is known as Tirurayur or Nichulapuri or Nichulapuram or Tirukoli. This Divyadesam can be called by 4 alternative names. This is located about 1.5 miles from Trichirappalli and it's very near to Sri Rangam. We can find the Lord in the standing posture here and he is named as Alagiya Manavalan. Goddess Mahalakshmi has the name of Vasalakshmi or Urayur Valli. She is also called as Kamalavalli. The beautiful form of the Lord is seen stationed in the Kalyana Vimana. And we find holy waters of the river Gudamurutti and Kalyana Pushkarani in this kshetra. Going to the details of the story of this kshetram, this was the capital city of the Chola kings at some point of time. And a pious Chola king named Ravidharma did penance to beget Mahalakshmi as his daughter. He found her in a lotus pond and named her Kamalavalli. He also had the blessing to get her wedded to Lord Ranganatha from Srirangam. To commemorate their wedding, he built a beautiful temple at Urayur and installed the Lord and Kamalavalli in the wedding form, also known as Kalyana Tirukkolam. This place has been sung by Tirumangayalvar and Kulashekar Alvar too mentions himself as Koli Kon, that is the ruler of the kingdom of Koli. He too ruled over this place at some point of time and he mentions this connect not to show off his power but to show that he was blessed to be connected to this place in some way. This place also happens to be the birthplace of the devoted saint Tiruppanalvar. So now let us listen to a shloka about Tirurayur from Ashu Kavi Sarvabhauma Srinidhi Swami's Divyadesha Vaibhava Stuti. Tishtantam Nichulapure Kamalaya Parshve Samasinaya Pashyantam Kakubham Kubera Dayitam Shriramya Jamataram Kalyanena Chakumbha Nritta Saritam Shri Surya Tirthena Cha Shri Kalyana Vimana Mandanamamum Devai Samai Sevitam.
तिष्ठन्तं निचुलापुरे कमलया पार्श्वे समासीनया पश्यन्तं ककुभं कुबेरदयितं श्रीरम्यजामातरम् कल्याणेन च कुम्भनृत्सरितं श्रीसूर्यतीर्थेन च श्रीकल्याणविमानमण्डलममुं देवैश्च मयि सेवितम्